we go. Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I got a video of like a hailstorm we just had Saturday. First half it was filmed with by John, my buddy, good buddy John, and then the aftermath, like was filmed by me. I mean, it stormed real bad. It went down the cellar.
He doesn't mean the band either.
Yeah, not the hailstorm, the band. And I hope people remember that too, because people just talk about rat. They don't want to talk about metal anymore, except for us old farts. I hope people remember the band. Anyways, John filmed the first half, then went in the basement. We didn't know it was supposed to stream weather, and then it passed, and it came down again. We waited another 10 minutes, and then I went out there and filmed the aftermath and stuff. And so here's the video. John filmed the first half, and I filmed the aftermath. So. I hope you liked the video, buddy. Till next time, please check it out. I almost had to take care of my Legion. I mean, check out the hailstorm, man. All right. Here is the hailstorm during and after.
All right. Woo. See all this hail. Now, we're not supposed to get any tornado stuff. We got other people, but this is the tornado storm. Oh, I get my crap. Forgot about that sucker. Woo-wee! Hail and lightning, very, very frightening me! All right, Jason and I got the grill in the shed just in time. Like before I get in my basement for Jason.
Wow, I mean, John filmed the main hail. This is the aftermath. It looks like there's
rock and roll.
Hey, rock and roll. Down, 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 down. And then it looks like there's salt on the ground, but these are like hail balls, or what do you call them?
Oh, hell.
Oh, hail balls.
Hail balls.
I remember like they had hail real bad, and I say Hail Caesar a long time ago. But boy, look at that aftermath.
Hey, we're on the edges of a huge storm that's, I think it was like southwest.
Yeah.
And flowing eastward.
Yeah.
Because we weren't supposed to get any tornadic weather, but we did get some high winds and hail. We're in severe thunderstorm watching the next half hour.
Yeah.
For warning.
Yeah. We are on the edge of a broken heart.
Much better than broken heart.
And that's better than the broken heart. Owner of the broken heart.
I gotta dig my trick out.
Okay.
See, I got a little. I use my ice scraper, or it gets clogged, so puddles flow free.
Oh, there you go. John's got the puddles right there. He's got the puddles. Okay. And look at that dark skies. Well, I can't really see it. The camera didn't capture it good enough. But it's like weather update. Look at that. And on the roof, on the roofies. Yeah, roofies. Yeah, take some. Yeah, look right here. They got. I like the size of marbles. The hail. I mean, it came down. Well, I think it was not like golf ball size or like softball size. That would suck. They like marble size, but they came down though. They came down. It looked like snowing, but or salt, but no, that's hail.
Yeah, you can see they're all clustered. This puddle at the end of the drive.
Yeah. Wow. But careful. Starting to rain again. Let's see the clouds moving. John's fixing that, so okay. Yeah, we moved the grill in to the shed just in time before it really started to pile down and pound you down and all this other crap, you know. I'm trying to do that. So that's the after effects of the hailstorm. Yeah, I mean, first time we had hail in a while. You know, I mean, it might have been like teeny tiny before, but I mean, most hail we got in a while. So, hope you like video buddy before and after, well, during and after. Hailstorm Saturday. It only lasted maybe like, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and then it calmed down for like 10 minutes and it came out. That's what we got right there. So, hope you like video buddy. Till next time, please take care of my legion. Yeah. Oh, that's a cool thing right there.
Oh, it's right there.
Right there? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's up on the TV. What a cool
It's
shot
so
right there.
dark I can't see.
Yeah, so dark. Ah, cool.
Come on.
Well, that's cool.
Hey, there we go.
Hey, again. Cool. All right, let's shut this off. Okay.